like spending time with your family or with yourself? Which one do you prefer the most? And everyone has this kind of perspective because right now, when we look at this generation, we have a lot of people, self-involved with their phones or with social media and all that. Family time is coming to less time, right? Um, so what do you think about that? Do you think there should be a certain time that we need to give family members, or do you think that once in a while catching up or every day catching up is good? What do you? My name is Daphne and I'm from Bangalore, and I have over 12 years of experience with language coaching and as well as soft skills training. Okay, I'm here to help you with your English, Yari, and I'm going to be your tutor for the day. Okay, so can you tell me
Right.
something about yourself? Quick introduction.
Sure, sure. So as I come to me, my name is Meenakshi and I'm originally from Punjab. So as for my education, I completed my master's degree in 2018. So currently I am homemaker, managing the household chores and I have a daughter. So simultaneously I am working on my communication skills. Moreover,
Mhm.
I run a YouTube channel where I just upload English content. So that's
Oh,
all about.
very good. So what brings you to English, Yari?
Hmm. Okay, it's my 17th session
Mm-hmm.
today. It's been
Mm-hmm.
approximately 1 month,
Mm-hmm.
and I am taking sessions from English AI.
Very good. Wow. So how do you feel yourself? How do you feel that? I mean, how do you feel with everything?
Okay, I feel confident because earlier, I know about how to explain or how to express in English, but sometimes whenever we speak in person, we don't have the words in our mind immediately, right?
Mm-hmm.
So during practice, now I feel confident that at least I have enough words that I can speak, confidently with anyone.
I
So it's
see that. You
changed.
are sounding very confident. And I'm wondering what should I start because you're already sounding so confident. That's again like a plus point for me. Okay, that's really
Okay.
good. That's very good, Meenakshi. I'm so glad to hear that. So, what do you do? I mean, what do you do in a day? How does your day go?
Okay, my day was quite good because first I dropped my daughter in school, then I worked on my communication skills for hour, and I prepared lunch for my family. And
Mm-hmm.
today I was not in mood to book session, but I booked the session. Actually, now I booked the session for tomorrow. But
Oh,
by mistake, I booked the session for today. But
okay. So tell me,
yeah.
what do you? Okay. So tell me about your immediate family members.
Okay, immediate family members. Actually, now I live with my husband and daughter, who are the strongest two pillars in my life. So,
Sweet.
yeah, they both are,
Mm-hmm.
closer ones, I could say.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Sweet. Okay, so who is the family member that you share everything with? There's one person
okay,
that you share. Mm-hmm.
earlier I used to share everything with my mother.
Mm-hmm.
So after getting married, now I share everything with my husband and at times with my sister.
Okay.
So yeah, because my husband is optimistic. So whenever I feel blue and he is optimistic, he always motivates me and uplift me in every
Mm-hmm.
situation. So
Very
that is
good.
why I always want to share many things with him.
Very sweet. So, do you like spending time with your family or with yourself? Which one do you prefer the most?
I personally prefer spending time with me because I enjoy solitude, but spending time with family is also a pivotal, right? So, I usually spend, layer time, or I could say quality time,
Mm-hmm.
at least half an hour every day at night with my
Mm-hmm.
family. So whenever we get together, we shared whatever we did throughout the day.
Very good. Oh, that's very nice to hear. So something that everyone would want to do that, right? Okay,
Right.
so again, we will. Okay, so I'm so glad to see that everyone has this kind of perspective because right now, when we look at this generation, we have a lot of people, self-involved with their phones or with social media and all that. Family time is coming to less time, right? Um, so what do you think about that? Do you think there should be a certain time that we need to give family members, or do you think that once in a while catching up or every day catching up is good? What do you think? Is there a time that we have to give, or what do you think according to you that do we have to give only a specific time, or do we have to meet them only in specific time, or do we have to meet them only during dinners or all that? Or do you have to keep connecting with them? How is it?
I think every day we should spend time, at least for 15 minutes or half an hour. You should always give your family. At least
Hmm.
you know and your family knows that
Hmm.
this time we will get together and share, many things,
Hmm.
like whatever we did throughout the day. So
Correct.
we should know, because if we wait for the week pass, then we will share something. Most of the things we forget, right?
Exactly.
So yeah, I believe that we should connect with each other every day.
Very good. I agree with that so much. I cannot agree more with you. Okay.
Right.
So, have you been able to go through the session notes, Meenakshi? The
Hmm.
session notes, we
Right.
have something called Food for Thought in page 2. Can we read that out,
Right.
please? We'll have a small reading activity now. Okay, let's read it out.
Uh, Food for thought, right?
Yes, yes.
Sure. So here, there exists a unique place in our hearts for the loved ones in our family. They offer us their unwarming support, understanding, and affection. Our parents guide and care for us, whereas our siblings are our partners in mischief. In addition to his grandparents, embrace
Embrace.
us
Mm-hmm.
with much love and often protect us from our parents' anger. Our loved ones always have our back during both moments of joy and times of hardships. These connections with our family members, our loved ones, are a constant source of comfort and strength, making our journey through life more meaningful and beautiful.
Very good. Do you agree with what you just read? Is family a safe
Hmm.
space for everyone? Do you think that?
Right. Obviously,
Yeah,
because
exactly.
now I live in nuclear family. I live
Hmm.
here alone, only with my husband and daughter. But
Hmm.
I miss a joint family. Sometimes, whenever I feel angry, sometimes I feel, to get rid
Hmm.
even from my baby. That
I
time I
know.
feel, or after, saying harsh word to her, I feel if someone around me who
Hmm.
take care of her, who
Hmm.
handling her, or the same situation, might I'll feel safe, or I'll not regret at all that whatever I did.
Absolutely. Very true. Very true. Very true. So, did you grow up with strict parents or easygoing parents?
Okay, my mother is even now a bit sick, and my father is not, even not
Hmm.
now. So
I
even
know.
I have a fear of my mother now whenever I go at my madam home.
Hmm.
So sometimes I have fear of my mother now whenever I do something wrong. So they even now, like tell me that what are you doing? This is wrong thing you are doing,
Very
so
true.
something like that. Yeah.
Very true, very true. Yes, I agree with that. Moms can be very, very threatening and very strict or something. Yes. Oh,
But deep down they love us. Yeah,
yes,
deep down they love us.
that's being mother. We'll understand that only we become mother after we become the mother. So yes.
Right.
So we actually have new words here to learn. Okay.
Hmm.
So if
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
look at the page number 3, We
Hmm.
have few words. Okay, we'll just keep these few words in mind. All right, you don't have to
Right.
learn it
Right.
immediately and then keep by hearting it. You'll
Hmm.
just make a
Hmm.
note of it, and so that it's easier for you to use it whenever you're
Sure.
around families and all that. Okay,
Hmm.
so we have
Sure.
first one is unwavering.
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 Yeah, unwavering.
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 Exactly.
Hmm.
It means that something that doesn't change. My love towards my son is unwavering. Your love towards
Hmm.
your daughter is unwavering. That means it does not change. You
Hmm.
can say that, despite a lot of
Hmm.
work my daughter gives me, but my my love for her is always unwavering. That means it doesn't
Hmm.
change. Okay, so today you
Hmm.
learned a new word, unwavering. Okay.
Right. Right.
And then mischief. We all know what mischief is, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Children are very mischievous. Their actions are playful, mildly very naughty, and all that mischief. Okay,
Hmm.
we know the
Hmm.
meaning of
Right.
mischief, right?
Hmm. Right. Right.
Okay. Okay. Then we have embrace. Embrace means hold on to something or someone closely in one's arm. I'm going to embrace. So you can say my mother's warm hug.
Hmm.
Whenever I feel upset, my mother gives me a warm embrace. Whenever
Hmm.
I'm upset or whenever I'm feeling blue, my
Hmm.
mother gives me a warm embrace. Or whenever
Hmm.
my daughter or my son feels a little upset or they're hurt, I give them a warm embrace. They feel so warm when I embrace them. That means hold on to
Hmm.
someone very closely and dearly.
Hmm.
Embrace.
Right.
Can we say embrace?
Right. 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 I understand.
Okay. Let's say embrace now. Embrace.
Okay, embrace means to hold someone or something closely, one's arm to hug someone or something. Like whenever we feel blue, most of the time, whenever I feel blue, I go to my maiden home and, share my thoughts.
Very good. Okay. So, okay, that's embrace. Next, we have someone's back. Have someone's back is
Hmm.
someone is there, someone's there to support you. I've got my
Hmm.
daughter's back no matter what. Even if she does anything wrong in her school, my daughter, I'm going to support her. I'm going to have her back no matter what. That means support. So today you
Hmm.
learned,
Support.
yeah, today you learned unwavering, mischief,
Hmm.
embrace, have someone's back.
Um,
I'll call
hmm.
my sister whenever I'm in trouble because I know that she's got my back. She has my
Hmm.
back. That means she has my
Hmm.
support. Okay,
Hmm.
you say, right? So I go to my husband for any, if I have any challenges, I talk to my husband because I know he's very optimistic and
Hmm.
I know that he always has my back,
Mine.
right?
Okay.
Okay.
Whenever someone feels demotivated or, what should I say? Think quitting something,
Mm-hmm.
right? So we should have their back, have
Yes.
them back,
Exactly. Have their back. Have their back.
have their
I'm
back.
going to, yes, have
Hmm.
their back. I'm going to have someone's back, my daughter's back. I'll be there to support her no matter what. Okay.
Hmm.
Then we have
Right.
hardship. Hardship means situations of
Mushkil.
difficulty,
Hmm.
right? We know that word,
Right.
right?
Difficult.
Yes,
Hmm.
during the school exams or
Hmm.
maybe the school tests, our children face a lot of mental
Harsh.
hardships.
Hmm.
We should be
Hmm.
there to have their back. Okay, so
Hmm.
we use two words in one sentence today.
Hmm.
Okay,
So,
so
no matter how many hardships you go through, so try to find a solution.
very good, awesome. I wish there was a button here that says clap button, and I'm not able to find that here. Very good, awesome, good example. And we have a small activity here. Okay. It
Hmm.
says that three pictures are here. In those three pictures, okay,
Hmm.
in these three pictures, can you tell me which is dysfunctional, which is estranged, and then affectionate? Which picture shows affectionate?
Picture
Mm.
A.
Very good. Okay. Which picture is estranged? That means there is some problem with the family, and then there is no connection at all between the husband and wife, and it's estranged,
Hmm.
meaning they are not in good terms at all.
Hmm. Picture C.
Very good, very good.
Hmm.
Then we have dysfunctional. Everyone is in their own world.
Hmm.
Nobody is bothered to talk. No, everyone's always arguing about something. Which picture is that?
Hmm. Obviously, rest one is picture B.
Yes, that means dysfunctional families are the ones
Hmm.
that is, yeah, where people are always fighting with each other. And strange, and
Hmm.
so we're going to learn three words again over here, okay?
Hmm.
Affectionate
Right.
means loving,
Hmm.
okay?
Affectionate
Then
means loving. Yeah.
exactly. Dysfunctional means family members were always fighting with each other. Okay,
Hmm.
always there's a
Hmm.
misunderstanding. And strange is a
Right.
person who's separated from rest of the family. They'll be in their own world. They don't even sometimes. Husband will be in their own world. They don't even mingle with the family. Wife will be in
Hmm.
their own world. They don't even mingle. There's no family connection. It's just separated from rest of.
Hmm.
So these are the
Right.
kinds of family. These are the three words that you learn today in terms of using in families. That's the kind of
Right.
situation sometimes there are. Okay.
Right.
So,
Right.
okay, what type of family from the three options above most ideal and why? Which is the most ideal in this three?
Uh, yes. Picture A.
Yes, and why is that?
Because obviously, loving family is always a treasure, and we should even always loving to each other.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever, because family is also important. So if
Mm-hmm.
someone has there some arguments, they are going through in some argument, they should solve that.
Very good. Very good. Very good. That's a very good choice.